my followers. Let's dive into ways in which you can earn free crypto on Binance in 2025 with actually no deposit required. The first thing we can do is just to come and open our Binance app, and once you are in our Binance app, you can see here this one means this is the assets which I have. And what means I have other assets, but I have locked it in this. You can see this wallet. This wallet is where I have locked my assets, but for educative purposes, that's why I locked it, for security purposes. So this asset which you can see here is the one that I have earned free, but keeping in mind that I have already redeemed some of them. Some of the assets that I have earned free, I have already redeemed them. So let's dive into our topic of today. The first way is what we call Binance Learn and Earn. By Binance Learn and Earn, you will be rewarded for your knowledge. But it's something that is just simple. You just come and tap there for more. You just come, and you can see here Learn and Earn. You tap it. You let the Binance to open, and after opening, you come and tap Learn and Earn, and after that, Binance. Yeah. Actually, yes. Learn and earn. Okay, which means this activity rules means the activities that it is like history. All activities that have happened. Reward history means the rewards that I have personally have already collected. You can see there are many rewards that I have already collected. So something that you can also do. Let's see what you can do. You can see there is this showing ongoing in a green notation, ongoing, ended. You can see these assets have a validity period, which means there is a period which you should have redeemed it. After that period have elapsed, the asset will also stop will just be stopped in the list of being redeemed. But this which shows ongoing means you can tap here and start running, but I already learned. You just tap there, let me show you. You just tap there, start running, come here. Then this is what the quiz will be about. You just read these things, and then after reading it, will be provided with a quiz. Then after submitting the quiz, you'll be rewarded 2 days after. Simple. The next thing is what we call Binance Square. Let's show you what I mean by Binance Square. By Binance Square, we mean there is a program which we call Learn and Earn. Learn and Earn. Here you will be rewarded just but this is what we mean by monetizing your crypto content. Just writing this, you can see this writing here. These are people who are earning just writing. You can see just writing. This method require you to be consistent. You write like 2 or 3 days per day, or 3 articles per day, or two. Yeah, this is what you can do. You can see this plus icon here. Let me show you. You can see this plus icon. You just tap it. You can go directly to this showing post, but I will recommend you, because you are for beginners, you can come and tap here, create a content, create a yeah. After you are here, you can just come and tap this. You can see this a bell open here on your left, on your right corner. You just tap it, you light what you want to light, and then you can see publish. Here you just publish your content. Yeah, and by doing that you'll be in the rest of earning free. But free, by the way, they pay with this method pays with what you call USDC, which means it's just like US dollars actually. Yeah, let's go to the third way. The third way of earning is what we call airdrops and promotional giveaways. This is to new tokens, but the good thing is this is that you'll be paid just by following social media accounts. Imagine joining telegram groups, retweeting. Imagine. Yeah, just a good thing. So let me show you what I mean by airdrops promotion messages. I mean airdrop promotion giveaways. You just come here, you could just tap more. After tapping more, you'll come and let's just see it. Let's look at it. Yes. Yeah. Here, I passed it here. Sure. Yeah, it is here. Mega drop. You can see the new asset will display here. But these have already added. So this means, yeah, it have already ended, but they always display here, so you'll just have come and participate in it. You can see here there is launch poll here. You can see, yeah, you can see launch poll here. The launch poll, you can see just by many of them have been distributed, but that's also a way of, you can see receive token airdrops at no extra cost. Just a good thing. Okay, the next way is by what we call Binance referral program. Yeah, this is better. You can, many of you know what referral program means. This, I can tell you, this is a way that you can earn a lot of money or a lot of assets. You can see, let me show you. Yes. You can see, yeah. You can see here referral. Tap on top on it. You can earn $100 just by referral. Just imagine, as simple as that, just by referrals. Let me show you. You can see refer a friend, both earn $100. That means you and your friend who you have invited will both earn $100. So what you basically do, you just come here and copy the link. Like here, you see the link have already been copied. You can come and use your contact. Maybe you can send someone through his or her contact. You can use telegram, you can use WhatsApp, you can use QR code, and so there is other more optional of sharing. Yeah, a very easy way of earning some bucks. Yeah, the link for Binance is in the section, the comment section below. So there is this method which we call holder airdrops for BNB holders, which means basically this requires you to have some asset which we call BNB. You can see here, yeah. This is BNB. This means this here is what you are earning here, what you are earning just by holding some BNB. So by holding BNB, you can earn free crypto, free airdrops, like new tokens which are coming. you will just earn them without doing anything, just holding them. Like for mine, I have hold them here in my wallet here. So just by holding them, you can earn free. I mean free, totally free, because you'll do nothing else. Yeah, but unfortunately, that's require you to have some BNB in your wallet. But don't worry, the others which I have provided you with are totally free, because there is the next one which require IT people, my fellow IT guys. There is a program which we call Binance Bug program. This is what this rewards you for your skill. Just by this is something of cyber security, just by maybe detecting security threats, weakness. Yeah, you can earn some free bucks. So I know you have enjoyed, but I have made it short because it was on demand and I had not prepared myself, and many people were asking how can I earn free crypto or free asset in Binance with no deposit required. Those are the ways which you can earn free crypto totally free with no deposit required. So kindly subscribe for more content. I will show you how the process, the strategies to use, so that you can use some things we called margin trading. Yeah, watch my next video. I will provide it. Thank you.